Welcome to my kitchen. Today we'll be making moi moi, very tasty and yummy moi moi. Please stay tuned till the end of this video and you will not regret it. Today we'll be making a very delicious moi moi. Here are my ingredients. I have my tatase, my red pepper, my onion, my ginger, my turmeric, my garlic, my crayfish, my seasoning cube, and my salt. I'll be adding all into the blender. I'll be adding my ingredients, all of them into the blender to blend once except one. I'll be adding my crayfish last. Be adding some water. I'll be adding in my seasoning cube. Sorry, I didn't know I still have it on my hand. I'll be adding in my seasoning cube at this moment. After adding in my seasoning cube, I'll add in my water. Then blend to have a very nice and smooth outcome. I'll blend until it's nice and smoothly. After blending it, you will see how nice it looks. Please, if the blade of your blender is not that sharp, I will advise you wash your beans and leave for 12 hours. Soak it and leave it in your fridge so that it will help the blade of your blender. But mine is very strong, so I can wash my beans now without soaking, and it's very easy. Please, if you don't know how to wash your beans very fast and very effective, check on my previous video. You will see how I made an easy video on how to wash out the back of your beans without any stress. Then I'll be pouring in my moi moi mix at this point because I'm done blending. Do you see how smooth and nice it looks? After this, I'll go ahead and get my last ingredients to mix together, which is my oil. I'll be using red oil. Red oil for this recipe is a game changer for me. It will change the color, the taste, and what can you even think of? The moi moi is giving. You will not regret using this red oil at all. If you have a very nice red oil at home, try it and come to my comment section. Please, if you have not subscribed at this point, please do well to click on the subscription button, turn on your notification bell, like the video if you find it useful, like the video, and I will appreciate. You see the color has changed, very nice color and looking very smooth. After using, I'll be using my hand. I used my hand mixer to blend, to make sure I blend well the oil and the moi moi mix so that everything will combine. But if you don't have a blender, you can go ahead and use your mortar. Pour in the oil, use it to turn it very well. But if you have a hand mixer, it's very easy. Do you see the way I'm mixing? Do you see the way the color looks? Very nice. I'll be going ahead to scoop into my foil. Please, if you don't know how to fold your foil or make this shape, come to the comment section and I'll drop a video on how I made this foil. It's not as difficult as you think. It's very easy. Scoop in your moi moi inside your foil. Continue this process until you are done with your moi moi mix. I'll go ahead and mix and scoop into my foil. I'll continue doing this until I'm done tying all this. Please, if you don't have a foil, you can use your moi moi cups. There are so many things you can use to wrap up your moi moi. You can use your leaf. I'll be making a video on how to make a moi moi leaf. I'll be making a video on that. I'll be dropping it. And if you're interested on it, also let me know in the comment section. Please, do you see as the way I was trying to scoop in this moi moi and it poured, a little poured on the body? You have to wash it out. You have to wash it out before cooking. I'll be cooking. People say they prefer steaming, but I cook. But the way I cook mine, I use a very boiling water. That is it. I'll scoop. Do you see? I'm almost done with the whole beans. The moi moi is almost ready. So that I'll go and put on the gas stove to start cooking. After this, I'm done. I'll be boiling my water at this point. I like using a boiled water. Boiled water. You see, I'll be adding in the boiled water into the pot. I'm done scooping in the mama inside the foil, and I'm adding the boiled water already. After adding the boiled water, I'll be covering the pot. I will leave this to cook for about 20 minutes to 30 minutes. And our moi moi is ready. It doesn't take a lot of time to make moi moi for breakfast, for lunch, for anything you can think of. Just look at how it looks. I can tell you the moi moi tastes so nice. Try this recipe and come back. I'll be in the comment section. If you be trying it, if you find it useful, let me know too.